all a very happy Diwali and Children's Day. Occasion of Diwali and Children's Day, I have two gifts and I am going to show them. Guess what it is? Wow, she's so pretty. And it says, beautiful girl. It says beautiful girl. And here it says, sweet, let every girl has its own fashion. Beautiful doll. It's like she has Pink Panther dress. Let's open it. Be careful with the sharp things. I'm gonna keep it back here. And let's open it. Wow, it's coming out. Oh, it's stuck. Come out. Wow, she's so pretty. Wow, look at her. She has very beautiful hair, brown one, and a very beautiful blue gown. I think they're tied up. Let's open them. Twist, another twist, and another twist. Be careful, hold it back so it won't fall down. Let's open the mannequin. Wow. It comes with a mannequin. Let's take this wire off. She has a beautiful, very beautiful gown. I'll keep it aside. Now let's open the doll. She has a wire too back here. And open the doll. Oh. Wow, look at her brown silky hair. She has brown eyes, rosy lips, and a very beautiful outfit. She is completely flexible doll. Her hand, her elbow, and her wrist. She can even say hi, hello. And even her legs move, her legs and her knees. She can even sit. One up and another and sit. She's sitting. She can even sit like this. She can dance like this. Take her dress and make her wear it. Let's see. It even has a stand under it. We got the mannequin and the dress. We'll change her dress. I have a blue comb. I already have it. I'm just going to comb her hair because it matches her dress. Comb my hair. I think she can hold her own comb. Yeah, she can hold it. Now comb your hair, you little naughty Barbie. You have so many combs on your hair. It's up. Let's comb our hair. And now He looks really pretty. Wow, she has beautiful blue dress. Oh, it says sweet. Wow. And opening the other door. Wow, it's so pretty. Her frock is so sparkly, very glittery. And she has her pink one. And we're going to open these wires. We got the mannequin out. Oh, come out, you mannequin. We got her frock out. Open the Barbie doll. Oh, the mannequin. Barbie. Come on, you Barbie little girl. Hey, it's stuck. Wow. It's also complete flexible doll. He even sits. Now let's exchange her dress. Wow, she has very beautiful pink gown. She even has silver bracelets and brown eyes and rosy lips. She has red sandals. I think they are heels. Sandal heels. Huh? So guys, once again, I'm wishing you a very happy Diwali and hope you like my gifts. If you like them, press the like button and the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.